The sea transport industry is a key pillar of Singapore's economy, contributing 7% to our nation's gross domestic product or GDP. Home to 5,000 enterprises that cover port operations, shipping and maritime services, the sea transport industry employs over 170,000 workers. The industry provides many strong growth opportunities for both enterprises and individuals. The sea transport industry has seen intensifying competition from regional ports, a more educated workforce with higher aspirations, and accelerating tech advancement. To help SMEs seize the opportunities from these trends, the Infocom Media Development Authority, in partnership with the Maritime and Port Authority of Singapore and the industry, jointly developed the Sea Transport Industry Digital Plan, or IDP, for ship agencies. The IDP is part of the SMEs Go Digital program that makes going digital simple for SMEs. It provides SMEs with an easy-to-use, step-by-step guide on the digital solutions to adopt at each stage of their growth. SMEs can use the digital roadmap in the IDP to find out if their business is digital ready and take action to get started. SMEs starting on the digital journey can adopt easy-to-implement solutions such as ship agency management and collaboration and document management software to streamline processes and optimize resources to improve productivity. SMEs that are further along in their digital journey can deepen insights and strengthen capabilities with solutions that include advanced ship agency management and ship agent training management. SMEs considering advanced technologies to leap ahead can take advantage of blockchain for shipping, as well as aerial drones to enhance their competitive advantage across the ecosystem. Furthermore, the use of robotic process automation is an enabler across the 3 stages to automate ship agency business processes, thus reducing manual effort and raising productivity significantly. The IDP includes a digital training roadmap to ensure that the workforce is equipped with the necessary mindset, skills, and knowledge to support digital transformation. Start your digital journey today.